If you use Subversion as your version control system, it's absolutely important to integrate it with Visual Studio. I've seen developers who do the coding in Visual Studio and then switch to File Explorer to commit or update their code. This is one of your biggest productivity killers. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Subversion into Visual Studio. First, go to visualsvn.com. This is a plugin that integrates Subversion with Visual Studio beautifully. You can use it for free if you work on open source projects, but otherwise you have to pay. It's reasonably priced and can save you lots of time. I highly recommend you to use this plugin if you use Subversion. I'm not an affiliate for this company and I don't get a penny promoting this. I've just personally used it for years and I've been very happy with it. Just be aware that once you download and install it, it may give you an error that Tortoise SVN is not found on your PC. The reason for that is that Visual SVN internally delegates its commands to Tortoise SVN. So you need to download and install Tortoise SVN. It's absolutely free and you can get it from tortoisesvn.net. Once you install both these tools, restart Visual Studio. Here we got our project. We can go to Visual SVN menu and select Add Solution to Subversion. If you're already using Subversion in your environment, you don't need to do this step. This is only for adding a new solution to Subversion. I'll show you how to check out from a repository later in this lecture. So let me go ahead and finish this step first. It's asking about the working copy root folder. We leave the default. Here it's asking if we want to create a new repository or using an existing one. We go ahead with a new repository. Now it's asking us to specify the repository location. Again, we'll leave the default. And finally, we import everything into the repository. Note these little yellow icons here in the Solution Explorer. These icons indicate that you have local changes that are not committed to the repository. We can press Alt and U and then C to bring up the commit dialog. All Visual SVN shortcut keys start with Alt and U. The next letter is used to specify a command. Here are a few common shortcuts. Alt and U and then C for committing, Alt and U and then U for updating, Alt and U and L for viewing the log. So let's commit these files. Note that all the yellow icons now turn green. This means everything is committed to the repository and we have no local changes. So next time we make changes here, again we use Alt and U and C to bring up the commit dialog and take it from there. There's absolutely no need to go to the File Explorer. What if we already have a repository in place? In that case, we're not going to add the current solution to a repository. Instead, we're going to check it out. So let me close this solution first. Now we go to Visual SVN and select Get Solution from Subversion. Here we specify the path to trunk as well as our working folder. I leave the defaults here. Done. So we got a fresh copy of the solution from repository. Let's recap. Use Visual SVN to integrate Subversion into Visual Studio. Press Alt and U and then C to bring up the commit dialog. Press Alt and U and then U again to bring up the update dialog. And finally, press Alt and U and then L to view the log. I hope you enjoyed this lecture.